Hey, how's your day been? Welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna walk you through how to add glow in Pixlr. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So, now, let's assume that we have already been created an account in Pixlr. As you can see, there's two options. And in those options, go ahead and hit on the open image. So, we have to choose some image. So let's say for this one, click on the open again. So what we need to do is darken this photo here. And the reason why we need to darken this photo is the glow effect. So it's visibly good on the dark background to highlight its glow. So now let's click on this filter option. And here on the filter option, choose the vignette. And once here, choose to drag the right side to make your background is darken. Once the darken look good, click on apply. Now let's go to the haze and choose to drag the right side again to darken the image and hit on the apply. And now once everything is darker, so the next step is we're going to outline this orange food. So let's click on this add new layer, choose empty, and click on the draw tool. So it's going to be shaky. So you have to do this nice and easy. Alright. So we have to use the draw to outline this food. And now, once it's over, go back to filter and find the outer glow. I'll just follow my steps. So now let's make some adjustments here. And just a heads up, that's going to be a trigger here. So I need to pay close attention to the image. Now, as you can see, my food is now shining. And also, you can choose some color. So I choose this. And now, once you're satisfied with your work, go ahead and click on apply and hit the save button. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.